Well, I think the best experience that I had when I was in Korea was that I got casted in a professional Korean film. For me, it was a very good experience because we all know that not many students get that kind of experience or opportunity.
There's a lot of things happen in Korea, but being able to meet these amazing people, my instructors, my friends, they are really amazing. They helped me in sharpening my ability in every single way. Wala na akong iba pang maiisip na magandang experience kundi yung matuto ka makisalamuha sa mga tao. Yung matuto ka na i-learn yung culture nila. Matutunan yung mga bagay na hindi mo pa alam noon.
Siguro, my most memorable experience during my exchange, siguro yun yung na-meet ko yung mga friends ko na Asians, like iba't ibang nationality. So, yun, masaya yun kasi natututo ako sa kanila. So, nakikilala ko kung ano ba yung gantong mga race, kung ano yung mga personalities nila. So, yun.
Actually, napakarami kong memorable experience ng nagtong Korea. Pero yung talagang hindi ko nakakalimutan, yun yung na-feature ako 3 times sa Korean National TV, SBS, KBS, tsaka yung Dream Concert. And sa Philippine TV, Jessica Soho, sa segment nila ang Gangnam Style. And then, nabigyan nila ako ng opportunity para i-represent ang Vietnam sa GGGI Summit, maging Global Eco Mentor ng Nature Ambassador for Korea at International Beauty Ambassador sa #1 clinic, Derma Clinic ng Korea.